Our gathering this morning is in the pursuit of the objectives of transforming ECG into a modern electric distribution operator. Under the compact, MiDA allocated 8.5 million US dollars to install the utility Geographic Information System for ECG. The GIS is serving as the foundation to a suite of utility applications geared at modernizing the operations of our country's largest electric distribution utility. Ladies and gentlemen, while the BSPs and the LV bifurcation projects have focused on improving the quality of power supply and therefore customer experience, the GIS project supports ECG to become operationally more efficient. The GIS will provide a digital platform and tools for ECG to plan, manage, and efficiently operate its network to meet global utility management standards. ECG services to the customer will improve from the reliability and quality of the power supplied to the time it takes to connect new applicants, read and deliver electricity bills, and respond to customer concerns. The system will also enable ECG to increase the efficiency with which it collects its revenues, reduces technical and commercial losses, plans and constructs its networks. Ladies and gentlemen, as we formally hand over the state-of-the-art system to ECG today, we on the MiDA board are hopeful that the system will be put to use and that the expected benefits that I've enumerated above from this massive investment will be realized. We are continually grateful to the United States government for their $316 million US investment, which has been provided through the Millennium Challenge Corporation to improve Ghana's power sector. We also recognize and appreciate the roles played by project teams from ECG, the consultant SMEC, and the contractor Hexagon, who worked tirelessly with MiDA to deliver this project. We are also grateful for the immense support we received from the Office of the Vice President when we needed to conduct aerial photography for this project. To the Lands Commission, the Ghana Air Force, and the Office of the National Security Coordinator, to all we say thank you. I also wish to commend the dedication and hard work of MiDA staff who have worked tirelessly on this project since 2016.
Quite recently, we witnessed the inauguration of the MMS, which has revolutionized ECG's metering operations in a number of areas, not the least. Harmonization of several metering systems, remote and early detection of faults, and managing all metering systems on a common platform, and therefore reducing workload and stress of ECG workers. These days, GIS is essential for electric utility operations in many different ways. It is my understanding that this tool provides the foundational layer of technology for effective asset management as well as regulatory compliance. It will also help ECG attain an accurate asset inventory with electric poles, transformers, cable lines, substations, and other electric utility assets if properly managed. I'm advised that if set up and deployed effectively, ECG can, one, analyze its network usage patterns, recognize problems and risks like power outages, have oversight about energy consumption, find potential threats to the distribution network, and last but not the least, manage utility asset repairs. Ladies and gentlemen, with diligent application of these tools, therefore, I expect ECG to address a plethora of challenges faced in power distribution, including but not limited to poor customer data handling, unsatisfactory responsiveness to customer complaints, high level of distribution losses, inadequate manpower to ensure efficient operations, especially in remote areas, and low collection rate contributing to recurrent financial losses.
For the Millennium Challenge Corporation. Today we just inaugurated the GIS system for ECG at a value of approximately $8 million. And this system is designed to really improve the efficiency of ECG to the benefit of its customers. So previously to this system, many of the activities were done manually. Now ECG has an IT system in place and knows where its assets are, and this data continues to need to be updated throughout this process, and ultimately this will serve to reduce both losses, power outages, to help ECG understand where the assets need to be maintained, and ultimately serve the customers and improve the overall reliability of the network. We're focusing on the completion of this compact, and every year our board reviews indicators of each country to determine if countries are eligible for additional compacts, and that will be done for all countries later this year.